I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the watch is on and responsive, wear it snug and enable wrist detection. Once done, wake the screen by raising your wrist or with a single tap, and use the digital crown to scroll through notifications and apps. You should also confirm software is current in the watch app on your iPhone so gestures behave predictably. Next, practice a light tap to select and a gentle swipe to move between screens so you build muscle memory quickly. You'll now focus on the more detailed controls that make the watch efficient. Tap to choose items and swipe left or right to flip through screens. Long press a notification or watch face to reveal actions. Make sure to pull up the control center and swipe down for notifications, because that organizes quick tasks. Rotate the digital crown for exact scrolling. Small turns move slowly. Larger turns jump faster. And try a 2-finger tap to open the notification summary when you want to stay hands-free. You finish by tailoring gestures to how you actually move. Go into accessibility to enable assistive touch or set up double tap and reachability gestures. This lets you control the watch without touching specific icons. Once done, practice haptic feedback and timing so a double tap or long press consistently triggers the right action. If a gesture stops responding, restart the watch, ensure Bluetooth and iPhone connectivity, and recalibrate wrist detection. That single troubleshooting tip often fixes sensor or sync problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.